Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So in our today's video, we're going to just go through another impressive portfolio website which we have been created earlier, but recently I have been upgraded that one to React.js. As you see, that is our homepage over here where we have our sidebar where we can just showcase all the products availability, and also how you see once you click how swift and sleek these things is working. And by the way, this is fully responsive. Later on I'm gonna also guide you through the responsive guideline. So in the left side we have all that data here, as you see, the about, resume, projects, and then the blog, contact, and call. After that we have our image, then we have our particular name ratio, then also we have a little bit typefader going on, which is showcasing what kind of design, what kind of work we are doing. Every time it's just changing the word and highlighting that one. And after that you have the link for the GitHub, LinkedIn, or the YouTube. I'm just link up my link over here. Feel free to subscribe and watch the video if you feel that's better and helping you to learn something new from here. As you see, lots of projects right here. This up to you if you want to go through it. It will be a great things to build. Now after that, on that you can also click on the download CB, which will just go and get download your CB by itself. And after that also we have the contact me section, and in the about me on the right side, as you see, you just describe your name, and then it's something about you, and then the age, residence, like some personal info, and all after that also my services. And one thing is that once you just hover on that, you see there is a circle just going left to right. You see, that's simple design combination is happening right there. And from the services we have the web development, web design, mobile application, SEO, and also we have some fun facts. The description can be changed like up to your category, but you can just put that right on that same scenario. And after that we have one resume section. In the resume we have our experience and education. So in the experience I just describe what kind of experience I had, and also in the education from where I got my education and how much farther I reach. Now after that I have focused to showcase my skills, like I have the design skill, language skill, and the coding skill, and also about the knowledge skill. Everything you can highlight here pretty simple way, and it's like everything you will get under one hood. That's pretty cool. Then we're going to have our projects. So recent projects, we have the blog project, responsive web design, and also the business card design, graphic design. It's up to you. You can add as much as you can, and you can arrange it the way it looks better. It's fit your test, right? And then we're having our blog. So the fundamental blog thing is that you showcase the blog. Once anybody click, it will just showcase to your blog. So that's up to you. I just render some blog to just showcase the data layer, and you see how beautifully it redesigned. And also the background, as you see the that circle effect, the animation effect going on, that's really remarkable to see in that view, right? And after that we have one contact from. Here we describe, get in touch, I have my address, phone number, email, freelance, and also I have one like send message. If I click without any message, as you see, this is going to be red mark if I type something, and now everything is working perfectly. And also let's say type some message, let's say test message. If I send, no, it will not go because I need to make that as my proper way. If I click, and now as you see, hello dear, your messages has been sent successfully, thank you for your time. That's message going to focus on to go in that getfrom.io. And by the way, you can also make the call and it will automatically handle the call. And for the sidebar, actually you can see we have the menu for the blog page, portfolio page, you have the project. So everything is just showcasing here. Whatever the data we provide is kind of like a summary is going through it. And now let's just go and focus on the responsiveness. Whenever we are going in the mobile device in responsive view, as you see, everything is just coming side by side. We have our title, image, then we have our about me section, then the my services section, and then the fun fact, resume section here. And after that we have the skills, languages, coding, knowledge. We have the recent project section here, and then go on like all the parameter we covered, but right now it will go side by side and part by part, and you see how simply is fit on that responsive layer. It's fully responsive and working perfectly better. So I'm gonna hook up the link in the description. Feel free to go there and see how you can combine that, and also I will attach the link for the previous one. As you see, that's the one where we created that one. It's before 1 year, but that project did well, and this link I will just attach in the description. Feel free to go there and just go and learn how you can combine that, how you can utilize that and use that. That's up to you, right? And also I'm going to provide the GitHub link. You can just feel free to go and watch, like you can get it if you want it to. So there would be two GitHub link. One, it will be for the link which I have, this one, this create React app. So feel free to go and clone that link, and then you can upgrade to the latest version. And if you want to get the latest link, it will go with that buy me a coffee link setup. So if you don't want, it's also fine with me, but if you want to grab that with the buy me a coffee link, that will be great help, because you need to go with some procedure. But if you go without that link, there's the I will attach the previous link here, which is already here, so then you can also feel free to grab it. Now why I just grab that one here, you see the combination here, the design pattern. It's a single page portfolio or single page resume website. It's just combining a simple ratio, and you see how simple and swift way it's just moving. Why I just make that, because I update everything from now. We are not using that framer motion, we are using directly the motion which is now new and updated. We're using the React latest version, and also all the icons and other library I just upgraded it. I just let you know because that project is really remarkable for me. I really make a fun fact on interested to create this one. Now it's up to you. Feel free to go that. I will just give that link in the description, and also the GitHub link. I'll provide both in the description, so feel free to go there and grab it if you want to. And I think it can make you a good experience to just go and pass by. And no worries, the which we started for our e-commerce website, that video is still coming. No worries, don't say I forget that. So the playlist, the video, it will be coming later on, so we're gonna just post that one after on. So feel free to go and do that, and I'm gonna see you in our next build. To stay tuned and learn more to just be updated.